Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Literacy. Today in your CJ, you need to write Lesson 9, Part 3 and 4. And I've written it for Monday, but you just write it for whatever day of the week you are having class. All right? If you need more time, pause the video, but I will be moving on. Okay. All right, you are going to get out your spelling journal, or a loose leaf of paper is fine, whatever you've been using. And I am going to have you write Lesson 9, Part 3 and 4 practice at the top of the page, okay? All right, and we are going to be working on our dictation and our listening skills, just like we do for every Lesson 3 and 4. So I'm going to say some phonograms, and you're going to write them down. And then at the end, I will write them, and you can check your answers. We will also be practicing the dictation portion. So go ahead and make your paper look like mine. And you can pause the video if you need a little bit of more time. That's okay. Okay? All right. I'm going to go ahead and get started. There will actually be 6 dictation lessons. I know you can't totally see that all the way. There we go. Okay. Number 1. A that may not be used at the end of English words. A. Number 2, ng. Number 3, as, z. As, z. Number 4, e, a. E, a. Number 5, ch, k, sh. Ch, k, sh. Number 6, oi, that may be used at the end of English words. Oi, that may be used at the end of English words. Number 7, hua. Hua. Make sure you're listening to that one. Hua. Number 8, a, that may be used at the end of English words. A, that may be used at the end of English words. Number 9, the of her. Number 10, are. Number 11, aw, 2-letter aw, that may not be used at the end of English words. Number 12, aw, af. Aw, af. Number 13, aw, 2-letter aw, that may be used at the end of English words. Aw, 2-letter aw, that may be used at the end of English words. 14, oo, o. Oo, o. Number 15, e, double, e. E, double, e. Number 16, or. Number 17, sh, used only at the beginning of a word or the end of a syllable. Number 18, oi, that may not be used at the end of English words. Oi, that may not be used at the end of English words. Number 19, u, 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 And number 20, g, j, g, j. All right, you ready to see if you got them right or not? Number 1 was a, two-letter A, that may not be used at the end of English words. Ng, ez, z, e, f, a, ch, k, sh. Oi, that may be used at the end of English words. Hua. A, that may be used at the end of English words. Of her. R, like a pirate. And then we have aw, two-letter aw, that may not be used at the end of English words. And then we have af, and aw, that may be used at the end of English words. O, E, double E, or, sh, oi, that may not be used at the end of English words. U, u, and last, g, j. All right, we are going to move on to some dictation real quick. Oh, my dog is whining at me again. Okay. Number 1. Number 1. The president's doctor. The president's doctor. It's actually like 5. Oops. The president's doctor. Let's check that one. The, we all know how to spell that. President, apostrophe S, doctor. Make any corrections that you need. Actually, zoom in on the part we're working on. There we go. Next one is the visitor's sandwich. The visitor's sandwich. The visitor's sandwich. The visitor's sandwich. Sandwich. Oh yeah, Miss Kinsler. Sandwich, not sandwich. I bet you didn't make that mistake. All right, number 3. The doctor's fault. The doctor's fault. The doctor's fault. Ready? Pause if you need more time. The doctor's fault. Fault. Good. Number 4. The artist's address. The artist's address. The artist's address. Pause if you need more time. The artist's address. And last one, a waiter, a waitress, and a visitor. A waiter, a waitress, and a visitor. Pause if you need more time. A waiter, a waitress, and a visitor. Whoops, visitor. Awesome, good job. Give yourselves, shine your halo. Why don't you shine your halo for doing such a great job. All right, we are going to move on. So you can put your spelling journal away for the moment. Now we are going to review some spelling rules, okay? So I'm going to start with this one, spelling rule 4. Do you remember what spelling rule 4 talks about? I'll give you a hint. It talks about some vowels. So let's review it together. You can read it with me. Ready? A, E, O, U usually say their long sounds at the end of the syllable. Awesome job. Some examples. We have taper, below, total, human. Good job. So those are examples of A, E, O, and U saying their long sound at the end of a syllable. They're the last letter of the syllable. Whereas here, for humming, the U is not the last letter of the syllable. So it's making the short sound. Awesome. Now let's do this one. Spelling rule 5. Do you remember that one? It talks about I and Y. Let's read it together. I and Y may say I or I at the end of a syllable. Good job. Some examples. Lion, title, visit, clinic, try, apply, bicycle, physics. So you can see it says long sound and short sound at the end of the syllables. Let's review spelling rule 10. Remember 10? We just learned this one. Let's read it together. When a word ends with the phonogram A, it says ah. A may also say ah after a W or before an L. Good job. I'm sorry, I messed up there. Miss Kinsler does that a lot, but that's okay. So some examples of spelling rule 10. Ma, pa, koala, zebra, also, tall, wasp, water. Awesome job. That was the one we just learned about. And then spelling rule 21. To make, let's read it together, I'm sorry. To make a noun plural, add the ending S unless the word hisses or changes. Then add ES. Some nouns have no change or an irregular spelling. Nice job. Some examples: toys, cats, boxes, glasses, stories, knives. And then here are some examples of those irregulars: deer, fish, children, feet. Nicely done, my friends. Okay, I'm going to get out my whiteboard, and I want you to pay close attention and then have your spelling journal close by, okay? But you don't need to write down what I'm doing yet. Okay, I'm going to write some words. Okay, so I have 6 words here. Let's read each word together, okay? First, we'll do this column, and then we'll do this column. First word is caught. Next word is daughter. Last word in this column is fraught. Fur, ought, fraught. This word is slaughter. Next is taught. And last word is distraught. Distraught. It's a big word. It means really, really sad. Okay, now I'm going to erase one of these words, okay? And I want you to tell me which word I erased. Okay? Okay. Starting easy. What word did I erase? Caught. Good job. Now I'm going to erase another one, and I want you to tell me all the ones I've erased. Okay? What 2 words have I erased so far? Caught and daughter. Okay, I'm going to keep going. Keep those in your head. What 3 words have I erased? Caught, daughter, distraught. Let's keep it going. Okay, 4 words. What are they? Caught, daughter, distraught, and taught. Good job. Keep it going. All right, which ones did I erase? Caught, daughter, taught, fraught, distraught. All right, last one. Can you remember all 6? What are they? Caught, daughter, slaughter, taught, fraught, distraught. Okay, now in your spelling journal, I want you to, on the bottom, I want you to write AUGH words 1 to 6, and write all the words I just had on the board. Okay? Pause the video, and when you come back, I'll have the answers for you. Okay? Okay, but get to work, no cheating. Okay, if you're watching this part, I'm assuming you have all 6 words, or as many as you can remember, written down, and you're waiting for the answers. Are you ready? You didn't cheat, did you? I'm watching you. Okay, I trust you. Ready? Caught, daughter, slaughter, taught, fraught, distraught. Did you get them all right? I bet you did. You go ahead and write your score, 6 out of 6 or 5 out of 6, or maybe you only remembered 2 out of 6, and that's okay. You might not get it yet, but you will. Give yourself a smiley anyways. Okay, we are gonna move on, so you can put your spelling journal away. Okay, I don't know what happened to my... Oh, there we go. Okay, we're back. Okay, so now we are going to play a game called Phonogram Speed, okay? So I have a stack of cards here, and I'm going to read the phonogram and give you the spelling hint, and I want you to yell out what the phonogram is. So I want you to spell it, okay? So I'm going to say the sound and the rule, and you're going to yell out how you spell it. So if I said I, 3-letter I, you would yell out I-G-H, okay? And I want you to try to beat me before I place the card down. I'm going to switch that card somewhere else since you've already seen it. Okay? All right. So now if you beat me, good job. I want you to keep score in your head, or you can give yourself a little tally on a piece of paper. And if you don't beat me, then I get a point. Okay? I have a feeling you're going to win, though. Okay. Are you ready? All right. Let's begin. The first one is aw, af, used only at the end of a base word or before a T. Aw, af. Did you beat me? I bet you did. All right, next one is O, oo, may be used at the end of English words. A, 2-letter A, that may not be used at the end of English words. Oo, o. A, 2-letter A, that may be used at the end of English words. Oi may not be used at the end of English words. Sh, used only at the beginning of a word or at the end of a syllable. Or, E-F-A. Ng. Qu. R. O may not be used at the end of English words. Oi may be used at the end of English words. Y, I, E. I, E, y. Ah, 2-letter ah, that may not be used at the end of English words. A, ah. Ah, 2-letter ah, that may be used at the end of English words. And we're done. Whoops, I got marks all over that one. We're done. Did you win or did I win? I think you won. Did I get any? Did you beat me every single time? I bet you did. Man, you guys are just too good. One of these days, I'm gonna win our games. Okay, last activity for today is I want you to go on our Phonogram website, the same one that we've been using, and I want you, it doesn't want to do it. I was just going to put my face, but that's okay. And I want you to write all your spelling words from this week using the Phonogram tiles. Okay, so it's just another way to get that practice in, and it'll be really fun because you get to use your computer to do it. Okay? And when you are all done, make sure you do the form for this assignment. Okay? I hope you guys have a great day. All right, bye-bye.